Hi everyone, we have another question on command of evidence quantitative type. Let's read the question stem. Which choice best describes data from the table that supports the researcher's claim? So again, there's a researcher's claim in the text. You have to identify that, understand that, and then go to the table and see what can be taken from the table to support the researcher's claim. Correct? Alright, let's read the text now. A group of researchers working in Europe, Asia, Oceania conducted a study to determine how quickly different Eurasian languages are typically spoken and how much information they can effectively convey. So these people are basically, this group of researchers is basically working in these places to understand how quickly a particular language or these particular languages can be spoken and how much information can be given effectively in that particular time. Right? They found that although languages vary widely in the speed at which they are spoken, the amount of information languages can effectively convey tends to vary much less. So what did they find? They found that the speed can vary, right? The speed can vary, but the information delivered effectively is more or less the same, right? That it's not varying much, correct? Let's read ahead. Thus, they claim that two languages with very different spoken rates can nonetheless convey the same amount of information in a given amount of time. So this is the claim. What are they saying? That, when it comes to two languages, the rate or the speed that they are spoken in can vary differently, right? It can be very different from each other, but the amount of information they are giving away in that particular time can pretty much be the same. So the amount of information in that time pretty much remains the same, even though the speed that they're speaking in can differ. Okay, we have to prove this. So let's quickly go ahead and look at this table over here. Approximate rates of speech and information conveyed for 5 languages. So we have got the speed and we've got the information conveyed in a particular time for 5 languages here. Let's go ahead and start eliminating our options. Among the 5 languages in the table, Thai and Hungarian have the lowest rates of speech. Okay, let's concentrate with this Thai and Hungarian. Okay, 4.7 and 5.9. 5.9 is clearly not the slowest, right? There is 5.3 as well. So I could say that Thai and Vietnamese are the languages that have the slowest rate of speech, not Hungarian. So this is definitely out. Incorrect information from the table. B. Vietnamese conveys information at approximately the same rate as Spanish. Okay, let's concentrate here. Vietnamese and we've got Spanish. The rate of speech is very different. Right, it says 7.7 for Spanish and 5.3 for Vietnamese. And what is the option saying? Vietnamese conveys information at approximately the same rate as Spanish despite being spoken at a slower rate. So yeah, Vietnamese is being spoken at a slower rate compared to Spanish, but look at the information that has been delivered in that particular time. It's pretty much the same, right? The only difference is of 0.5. That's almost negligible, correct? So I can very easily say that even though the speed that they are spoken in is completely different, 5.3 and 7.7, the information conveyed in that particular time is pretty much the same. So this is matching with the claim. It's definitely supporting the claim and the information is also correct as per the table. I'm going to hold on to this, but I still have to go ahead and eliminate my options. C. Among the 5 languages in the table, the language that is spoken the fastest. So which is the language that's spoken the fastest? Spanish. Okay. Is also the language that conveys information the fastest. So 7.7 and 42. That's not the fastest rate of information. I mean, at least that's not the rate of information, the maximum rate of information that's been conveyed. 42.5, correct? 0.5. There's a difference of 0.5, but there is a difference, correct? So even though Spanish is being spoken the fastest, the rate of information conveyed is not maximum for this. So C is definitely out because it's contradicting the information given in the table. Let's go to D now. Serbian and Spanish are spoken at approximately the same rate. So let's look at Serbian and Spanish. Okay, spoken approximately at the same rate, but Serbian conveys information faster than Spanish does. Definitely not. Spanish is 42, Serbian is 39.1, which is lesser than 42. So definitely not conveying information faster than Spanish does. So this is out as well. Does not convey the correct information given in the table to us. So very easy question again. So B is our correct answer.